Now you're on the other way to when people normally watch us.
Oh,
normally when you watch people watch.
Well, why are you upsetting me? We haven't started the video yet. Hello, I'm Toy.
I'm Goy.
And welcome to Madeira. We have decided to do a ship tour. We'll tell you all about our lovely experience on the boat, especially yesterday night.
Most of it's been lovely. This is our balcony.
Yeah. We are going from top to bottom. Ship tour starting after this. We are in almost the top of the boat.
It's the very front.
But before we are starting, it's important to say, whatever we are saying here, we are sharing with your own honest opinion. We do not wish to offend anybody, but if we are offending you, we are sorry.
Sweet.
So we are starting at the top, and we are in what's called the Veranda.
Veranda. It says it right there.
I want to say Veranda.
This area is just for adults. And
Now,
we
when
only
you-
found it yesterday, and it was great.
3 days in, yeah?
Because it was really quiet, and we just laid here and
Yeah.
read our books because the pool was really loud.
And if you ask yourself why the boat is so empty, it's because we are in Madeira at the moment, and everyone is out, and weather-wise, it's a bit
It's the
cloudy.
worst day we've had so far.
Yeah, but I'm enjoying it. It's, if it's too hot, I'm like, "Grr." But yeah, it's great
It's
fun. Yeah, let's do a tour of the Veranda. Verdana International. Oh, every floor can be a Eurovision star.
Okay.
This is Verdana. No, it's not. No, let's not do that. Anyway, this is the Verdana.
Veranda. Like Miranda, but with a V.
And there are some, and if you want some quiet,
It's the place to be.
it's the place to be.
So here is the veranda. At the moment, I guess they're cleaning because the floors are wet. But
And last night was a bit.
normally, there's these nice comfy rounds. Well, they're not comfy actually. We sat in them and nearly fell over. But let's go to the very front of the boat. This is. Oh, there's some nice chairs. As you can see, they're all wet. Oh,
What's that?
it's a helicopter pad.
Oh.
Anyway, this is the front of the boat.
Every time we leave,
Yeah,
the whole.
there's a really, 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 really loud horn that goes off.
So if you sit here in the adult-only area.
Yeah, the horn just goes off randomly,
Yeah.
and it's horrible.
We met a friend here in the Marella Explorer 1, and there is. Hello.
It's Oliver.
It's Oliver, a bit
Christmas Oliver.
Christmas Oliver. Look at him. Oh, Oliver. This
The
is
pool deck.
the pool deck.
As you can see.
So we are in the front of the ship.
Pool. There's some nice hot tubs. I went in one of the hot tubs at the sunset yesterday. It was lovely. They did water volleyball yesterday. There's lots of seating.
And
yesterday
lots of
was
activities.
mad because people were grabbing chairs and you couldn't find anywhere to sit. We do a quiz every morning.
Yeah, it's cool. What's interesting in this place is there are toilets everywhere.
Yeah. However, this toilet has the 3 heaviest doors in the entire world. They're so hard to open.
Would you like to try it to show us?
This one's not too bad.
Okay.
It's the inside ones. I'm not exaggerating. If you look here, there's a running track on the floor.
Yes.
So if you really want to come on holiday and jog, you can run 11 times around the pool, and that's 1 mile.
If you are a smoker, you need to know that you can't smoke in many places in the
Only on the
cabin.
small area of deck 12.
You can't smoke in your cabin, of course. In the balcony, you can't. So you can find some areas when you can actually smoke. This is one of them. Smoking is bad to your health.
Smokers are jokers.
Don't smoke. But if you are smoking, you are smoking.
We need to be in masks, so I don't know if you can hear us well, but this is deck 11? No, 12 still. We're still 11? I can't remember. 12. We are good that we know where we are. We've been here 5 days and we still get.
So this is one of the bars.
I like this one.
It's called Indigo. And you can see,
I like that the lights turn on and off, and it kind of looks
and
like
it's a
stars.
bar, casino, and a club. Now, as you know, we are not very good drinkers, not very good gamblers, and not very good dancers. So, but we still love this place.
Okay, let's go in
Let's go
to Indigo.
Indigo.
Some very subdued, moody lighting. Oh, it's Tom Jones. Oh, we've got some dancers already. So, one bar here, the dance floor.
As you can see,
Kiss.
the casino on the left, and Indigo.
Let's go.
So it's not very active, as you can see.
Is that a craps table?
What?
Is it a craps table? There's a game called Craps. So those are for
It's a small casino.
those of you who like to gamble. Jesus doesn't. We all know what Jesus would do in here.
Go left.
Great.
Then you can see all the spaces here.
Nice colour scheme in here. I like
Yes.
the yellow and turquoise.
I like the Indigo. It was our first bar.
Yeah. And here is the bar. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We've had some nice drinks there, haven't we?
Yes, we did.
There's sometimes live music in the corner there. I haven't done any singing yet, but don't want to spoil everyone.
No.
Oh, they're still going. So that's important because Isaac can never remember which staircase
Who's
we're on.
Isaac?
Toy can never remember which staircase we're on.
Yeah, I got
or
lost.
which floor we're on.
I got lost a few times in the boat already. Sorry about that. Shall we go
Let's
down
go down
to deck number 10?
11.
11.
This is a fun area.
We are now in deck 11. This is the Champions Spa. That's how you say it?
Champagne?
Champions?
Like champagne.
Champagne, everybody. So we've done our massage.
Oh, we had a lovely
2 days ago.
And a facial.
And a facial. You see our
It was
facial?
lovely.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
And there is a guy here. He's a very special man. Very special man. His name is Luis. We'll see if he wants us to film because we need to ask permission. Yeah, push it. Luis bought a surprise present for his girlfriend. What? No, girlfriend. They told her his wife to me yesterday. Well, I asked her if they're married. She said no. Oh, maybe he thinks they are. Maybe. Yeah. So he bought her a present. He bought her phone for Christmas. Oh, what's it? Oh, yeah. No, I thought you know. I forgot it was Christmas. I thought... No, I was blanking that up. Well, it's your birthday. Oh, yes, it is.
It's very soothing and calm here. If you want to get your hair did, you can come in here.
Can do that. Hello. Hello. A Christmas tree.
And here is the man himself.
Special man.
Man of the Jane King. Hello, hello.
Come on.
Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to Sharpies at Sea on Explorer 1.
Do you want what? What's the best treatment here?
Oh,
The best one.
I have this
Oh.
list.
Yes.
And this list.
Ooh.
There's no such thing as the best because they're all awesome.
Can confirm.
Yes.
It's like a chef asking what's his favourite dish. You know, that's impossible.
Oh, bless you, Lois. Bless you.
Oh, bless you, gentlemen.
So if you feel like you want to do some gym, I've done yesterday.
He did.
It was,
What was I doing at the time? I was in the hot tub.
there is a lovely, lovely gym here.
Sure.
And if you are on sea days, you can actually see the sunset while you're doing a gym. It's lovely, lovely, lovely.
We are in the spa on our cruise boat. Wow.
And we wanted to take you a short tour what's happening in the spa. Let's see. There is a steam room as well.
My favourite place.
Nice steam room. Oh.
Moist heat. Actually, no, this is my favourite one. I don't even
And
know.
there is another steam room. There is a hammam here.
This place is like a steam room, but there's a heated table, and I lay on there and like scalded my skin. It was wonderful. It smells nice.
And there are some small rooms to do hammam, but that's cost extra if you want to spoil yourself.
Why not? This is where I burnt my bum.
Jesus, this one.
Yeah, it's really hot.
And then you fill up, then you boil your feet. for a while.
Come off me again. Filthy.
The nice middle showers inside. There are some different steam rooms. There is a herbal sauna. I haven't tried it yet. I will try it in a bit, not now. And there is the salt steam.
Smells really nice.
Is it smell nice? But they can't smell it, you see?
There's someone in there.
Come to the relaxation area. Is there anyone here? And look at that relaxation area. You just see?
It looks really strange, but actually once you're sat in one of the chairs,
Because there is like a reflection from the
ceiling's all
ceiling.
weird because of the fabric. And
Yeah.
it's like,
It's like being stoned, but not really.
I wouldn't say it's like being on an alien planet, but stone works. It's just wonderful.
It's wonderful. Unfortunately, this ice room is not working, but I guess this will be
There's a cold bucket shower.
a cold bucket shower.
That's probably full of ice cubes.
Yeah, if you are into freezing yourself. What you doing? They said not in use. Different sauna rooms, relaxation rooms, Horizon sauna. Is there anyone here?
No.
So we can.
It's amazing.
Oh my god, it's so hot, but look at that view
Oh.
from the sauna.
We're trying to look for whales, but we haven't found any yet.
Yeah, there are no whales. 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 Are you speaking Walish?
I'm trying.
Okay.
Welsh.
Wales. The last area, I think,
Oh, yeah.
is this fantastic thermal garden, which is basically the only place in the sauna that you can actually have fresh air. This is really nice here. Really, really nice. So, how are you summarizing your sauna
My birthday
experience?
spa day.
Your birthday spa day.
Yeah. Pretty damn.
Look at the
fantastic.
background.
Look at this view.
Look at the background. It's like
Oh,
still no whales though.
no well.
Probably we don't do the right dialect. It's easy, you know.
We're in Spain now.
We need to
so,
do a
yeah.
Spanish dialect. Deck 10, and Deck 10 is all
just cabins.
cabins, so we are not going to bore you with details.
But this is the forward staircase.
Yeah, and
There's lifts as well. We thought, we got here and we're like, obviously we're never going to use the lift because that's really lazy. But when you have to climb up the stairs, sometimes you take the lift.
yes, you
It's
have
really
to.
hard work.
It's hard
It's a
work.
lot of stairs.
Marella's trying to keep us all safe.
They're doing a very good
And
job.
they are doing a very, very good job because there are sanitizers everywhere.
Everywhere.
They are asking us to walk with masks everywhere. And they are asking us to do a temperature. Oh, we will show you the temperature check on deck 6 because it's obligatory to do a temperature check every day.
Shall I demonstrate the antenna?
Yes. Well done. Well, oof, it stinks. But yeah, they are trying their best, and we can't
It does smell.
fault them on that because they are really, really trying to protect us. Deck 9, it's our deck.
Yeah, we're really
Well,
lucky.
we're
Our room is right next to the stairs.
really, really lucky. We don't need to walk much because we are lazy. And yeah,
Mainly
the
cabins on this
many
deck,
cabins, but the other side is the kids club. So when we go up, we will show you
say that later.
the kids club. But at the moment, it's just cabins and cabins. And just to give you a flavor of how it looks. Look how long this,
This is the forward bit.
and this is only the
all the
forward.
way along the boat.
And then if you go to the other side, look, looks like the scene from
The
The
Shining. Give me a
Shining.
little tricycle.
Deck 8, still loads of cabins. The other side is more
God,
interesting.
this makes the boat seem really boring, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just cabins, cabins, cabins.
But no, the other side is some stuff. So we will jump straight away to deck 7. We are in deck 7. Now in deck 7 you can find the entrance. So there are 2 entrances for the
I think that's the exit.
Broadway show. As we didn't go to see any shows, but we
Not
can.
yet. We might.
Well, but we can show you how does it
Yeah,
look
it looks pretty amazing
from the
inside.
inside. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Well, apparently there is downstairs entrance, so
Can't get in this one.
Yeah, but we'll do. As you can see here, this is the entrance for the shops. So there are several duty-free shops.
Toilets.
Yes, another toilet.
You can buy watches and jewellery and cigarettes and tobacco and alcohol and clothes and a few gifts, sweets. It's pretty cool here actually.
It's pretty cool. It's quite empty now.
I think it's
but, but again, it's closed. Most of the people are out.
It's literally like being in an airport.
But yeah, it's like
All
being
the
an
shops.
airport if you want to spend. We did try to find you a nice shop and shirt, but because everything is so expensive.
Yeah. You know, we
But-
shop at Primark, so.
If you really want to spoil yourself,
Tax free.
there are some lovely stuff. So from here, you can see what they've done for Christmas from the top. Of course, we will go down
I
at
like
some
this
point.
thing on the ceiling.
And this is really nice.
This is the mid stair.
So we are in the middle, yeah, in the middle of.
The fancy staircase.
If you want a bag, you can find a bag.
Someone wants to do it from me. Tax free.
There are some fancy restaurants that are usually not included in the normal package,
And you have to book.
and you have to book everything. We booked yesterday. We were supposed to eat in Stekentef, but someone felt a bit seasick, so we had to cancel it. But we are booked tonight to Koala, so hopefully you will be fine,
Yeah.
and hopefully we will enjoy the food there.
I'm sure.
Because it looks really posh and really nice, and we're in deck 6.
Oh, what? Six? Dick sex. You literally just said dick sex.
We are in deck 6, and deck 6 is busy.
Another entrance to the Broadway Lounge.
Yes, we will try to
We
film
can't
it,
get in right now, but this is important.
because
These
this
are the nicest toilets on the boat. They're nice and fancy because they're next to the theatre. And if you want to have a poo, this is the best place to go.
very important information. We are in deck 5 now, and deck 5 has a lot of stuff happening
Yeah,
as well.
quite a lot.
The reception is on deck 5.
Reception.
You
That's
ju-
where you need to go to get your seasickness pills,
Yes,
which you will definitely need.
if you have CC. But
When?
or when you I didn't have CC. I don't know why you're complaining so much. Such a dramatarus.
Cabins to the front.
But there are some cabins. I wonder who's staying in deck 5. Which, you know what?
Maybe. Where Polly and Pam.
Polly and Pam in deck 5.
I don't know.
Oh.
Maybe.
We need to meet Polly and Pam.
We will definitely show you
We
Pam
will
and
show
Polly.
you Pam, but this is because part of the tour will not be completed
Without Pam and Polly.
Without Pam and Polly.
Bloody Pam and Polly.
Well, in deck 4 you can find the
Lots more cabins.
but the medical center, if you need
I think it's important to know where that is.
the medical
just in
center
case.
for whatever reason.
I may need to go there tomorrow because we're spending all day at sea. So
What are you expecting
might
them to
die.
do? Well,
hopefully they can just put me into a coma. And
it's your birthday tomorrow. You will be fine.
I don't want to be sick.
You will be fine. Maybe. This is very important machine because you can find it in every floor. It's just water.
Delicious water.
It's just water. So if you're worried, oh, I need water and blah blah blah, then you have
Chilled,
it
delicious
every-
water.
and it's really nice water as well.
Yeah.
So
I think they've got a water softener on board.
do you think?
Yeah, it must do.
But it's really
My
nice.
hair feels nice.
So if you've never been on Marella Explorer and this is your first time in the Marella Explorer, sorry and welcome. But also it's important to know something really good. Latitude. So
Latitude
they're
53.
they're serving breakfast in 2 places as far as you know. Maybe there are more, but we didn't discover it. But they're serving
This one.
in Marketplace, which you will see. If you haven't seen it, you will see it. And also this one. And this experience in the Latitude
It's nice.
is much better. Let's see if we can have a little
Table
peek.
service here.
Let's see if we can have a little peek.
It's bloody massive.
Yeah, it's massive. I don't think we are getting in from here usually. We're getting in from the other side.
2 stories. Two
It's-
stories of seating.
Huge, a bit hectic in the morning,
Yeah.
but it's fantastic and it's all decorated for Christmas Day. Here you can find another bar.
This is the lounge.
And this is very important place
Piano.
because
No.
No. No.
These things are gorgeous. Look, they go all the way up to the ceiling. So fabulous.
It's gorgeous. It's really, really gorgeous. And this is where Gori can show us his B in GCSE music. What we're still struggling to understand is how we go up and
From
down.
deck 5, so if you can't find these stairs, then you kind of get stuck on deck 5 and have to take the lifts or
yeah,
the other
but
staircase.
just explore. So just explore and understand.
And keep getting lost,
And
like he
maybe
does.
and maybe your navigation brain is better than mine. But this is another way to go up to deck 6
Oh, dick sex.
or deck 6. This is the lounge.
The lounge. There's a really cool bar here.
Yes, and a very cool piano as well.
Yeah. Hot pink. We have live singers most
Yeah,
evenings here.
every evening.
And the piano is hot.
Let's see the piano.
Hot. Hot, hot piano.
Like this man.
Oh.
Like my husband. Yeah, it is a bit wobbly.
Ahoy!
So as we promised you, there is a temperature check device.
Very, very simple.
Very, very simple. You just scan your
Let me
card.
show you.
Yes.
Here's my card.
You need to remove your mask.
Scan.
It's not really working, is it?
Let's try the other one. Oh, it worked, it worked.
So if you decide to spoil yourself with a different coffee, or much better coffee, you can find it in the coffee pod.
Deck 6.
Coffee pod is not included in the basic package, so if you want to
But it's
go
worth it.
premium,
'Cause
it's
coffee's
worth
great.
it. It's really, really worth it.
Also, very important to know, just through this door is another smoking room.
Let's see. Deck 6 is another place where you can actually smoke, and you
And it's
have
quite nice because it's always very quiet.
yeah, it's very quiet, and usually you can see the sea.
We're in Hall right now, so...
Yeah. Remember Titanic? Yeah.
Yes.
What was the main problem in Titanic?
They
Besides the fact that
hit an iceberg.
yes.
They didn't have enough lifeboats. Luckily, there are 18 on this boat. So far, we haven't had to use them.
Why are you jinxing?
I'm not. Just saying.
Okay.
Because that would probably make me even more seasick. Wouldn't it?
So we are going to have an hopefully,
If I'm not sick.
yeah, if you're not sick tomorrow, an experience. We are going to be dressed up
In our wedding suits.
In our wedding suit, and
We're coming here.
we're coming
For the
here
photos.
to the photo studio now. But what we are planning to do is
some nice
get
pictures
nice pictures
on the boat.
on the boat, and it will be in the sea. And hopefully, it will be nice and worth it. Oh, there's Kevin again. Hello.
Hello, Kevin.
Taking pictures.
No, you're filming. You want to say hello to all of
It's
you,
Kevin.
bright lads. So let's show you something else.
Oh,
There is
yeah.
the cinema which we haven't seen
We
yet.
don't really watch any
Yeah,
of it,
yeah.
but
But just look how amazing and big this place is.
showing.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what this movie is about. It sounds like porn noise.
at the beginning,
But it's
it
not.
clearly
It's just-
wasn't.
So we are on our way now. From 6 again down to 5 because the
Oh, reception, yes.
yeah, because from 5 to 6
You
it's
can't
a
get
bit-
from the back of the boat
Yeah, it's
to
a bit-
reception without
it's a
coming
bit,
up
it's a
some
bit
stairs.
weird, yeah, but once you get around it you understand where to go.
Well,
I'm still
maybe.
figuring it out. But yeah, let's show you what they've
the cool
prepared
staircase.
for Christmas. So look how they decorated it.
Just a few lights.
Absolutely fantastic.
Aww.
Oh, it's Big Ben. It's Eiffel. And there is another piano for you to show your BGCSE music.
My what?
Your BGCSE.
My B in GCSE music.
So if you want to find out more information about the excursions,
Excursions or ask some questions,
Yeah,
like what to
this-
wear.
this is let's not talk about that, but this is the place to be.
They've got cool touchscreens, you can book everything.
You can book it, but there are touchscreen everywhere actually.
But
You can
sanitize afterwards.
sanitize all the time, sanitize. This is the dining club. We haven't been here yet. We are supposed to be here if we are not seasick. Yeah,
This is the very fancy
but that's the most fancy restaurant in on the boat. Apparently there are 5 courses,
and they say to allow 2.5 hours time.
and they give you wine in between.
Oof.
To be honest, I can't wait. But again, this is not included in the basic, and
But
that's
it's
extra
not-
cost. But
You know,
if you are going to a holiday, spoil yourself.
Yeah.
Spoil yourself. Don't be cheap. Spoil yourself. Enjoy. If you didn't have enough drink, this is another opportunity to do. Apparently, they are doing some evening
Quiz going on, I think.
quizzes and some
There was some music
activities.
yesterday.
The music. It's like if you can do.
You can't be bored.
You can't be bored. You really can't be bored unless you're sissy.
Yeah. I wasn't bored, I was
Well,
extremely
I'm not talking
occupied
about. I'm not
yesterday.
talking about you.
Oh, wow, okay.
Oh, they're actually quiz.
Pretzels.
They're actually quiz.
Pretzels. £2.95. £2.95.
So
Behind the squid and anchor, there's another smoking area.
And this
this
is-
one's nice because it's right at the back of the boat.
yes,
And when it's moving, you can just watch the sea behind you.
it's a bit noisy when it's moving,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
but still, it's
nice.
really nice, and there are loads of spaces here.
Yeah. More so than on deck 12.
Our Negbo boat is just living.
Literally strafing sideways, so I didn't know boats could do that.
Well, I hope, because otherwise,
It's going to crash into us.
What a bit-
Lifeboat time!
bye. So I've discovered this place by mistake.
Yeah,
because I got lost.
apparently I gave him wrong directions.
You gave me
but
wrong directions.
I told him to go to the front of the boat to our cabin, and he ended up literally right at the back.
You gave me a wrong direction.
I did
Anyway,
not. I did
anyway,
Didn't.
there is a swimming pool for the little ones.
And the play area.
And it's really nice because it's kind of
It's away from everyone
away
else.
from everybody else.
Everyone
It-
drinking and
So if you are traveling with your bubbies,
little babbies.
this
just,
is the
Just
place.
stick them in here.
Yeah. I can't open.
I mean, read the sign. I don't understand how your brain works.
It doesn't. That's the thing. It doesn't work. Apparently there is a kids club here. We've never tried it because
Well, I'd quite like to go in the kids' club because it looks really fun.
this is the marketplace. They are
So they're
preparing
preparing
for
for
dinner. I guess they just finished lunch.
There's lots of seating here. And you get really nice views out the window.
In case you're still hungry, during the day,
Snack Shack.
Snack Shack is open next to the
Cool,
swimming
because you
pool.
can just come and grab chips whenever you want.
Chips, burgers,
Chicken wings.
and there are some fridge with sandwiches, salads. My favorite day.
Right in front of the pool as well.
And it's in the pool. So we are going to grab something to eat because we are hungry.